Hariharpur Relief Society is a trustworthy, non-governmental organization that epitomizes love, affection, and care. It symbolizes benevolence, philanthropy, and kindness. We endeavor to empathize with those affected by pandemic and seek to offer basic amenities to help redress their distress. While we are located at Will, Hariharpur Post Kensili, 24 Parganas South, we care to provide social insurance, employment through women empowerment in more than 2,000 far-off towns, ghettos across 35 conditions of India. We envision to uplift the living standard of poor families and potential youngsters while offering them basic rights to living. Our mission are just to act as a bridge to fulfill all their deserving needs. So far, our campaigns have identified our mission with food distribution, child education, caring women, street side men and women, older people stuck in poverty, and newborn babies. We, the people in charity, seek your contribution in your own little way and would appreciate your attention in continuity. Our future generation resonates as the biggest resource, and it is our responsibility to create a framework of bright future for them, evoking self-reliance and prosperity. Hence, we request each of our viewers to volunteer in their best possible manner that they can, for as humans, our primary duty is to help others, as love and attention is all we need. Come, join our hands and let's share our privileges with the underprivileged and make this organization a fulfilling one.